Welcome to this video on the basic setup process of your MachineMotion AI. I'm Jeremy, the education lead here at Vention, and I'll be guiding you through the initial configuration of your Vention controller when you power it on for the first time. Once you've wired and plugged in your system, the first step, of course, is to turn it on. As the controller boots up, the power status light will begin flashing blue. After a few moments, it will change color depending on your controller model. If you have a MachineMotion AI Robot or Robot Pro model, the light will turn white. If you have a MachineMotion AI or AI Pro model, the light will turn red. No need to worry, this simply means the system has booted up correctly and is currently in emergency stop. Before moving on, we recommend checking that all your safety devices are released. Then, press the blue reset button on the safety reset module. If you have a robot connected, make sure it's also powered on and is no longer an emergency stop. With that out of the way, let's jump into the setup. There are two interface options to choose from. The first is your attached MachineMotion pendant, which will automatically load to the welcome page when powered on. The second is by connecting your laptop directly to the 2PC Ethernet port on your MachineMotion controller. Once connected, open your Chrome browser and navigate to machinemotion.local, or you can also use the IP address 192.168.7.2. From here on, the process is the same on both interfaces, so let's switch over to the screen and walk through it together. As mentioned earlier, you'll land on the welcome page, where you'll need to acknowledge the Vention disclaimer and accept the end user license agreement after reading through it. After that, you'll be brought to the settings page under the configuration tab. If you already have a configuration file created from your machine builder design, you should upload it here using one of the three available methods. This is a mandatory step to be able to control the motors and robots you have connected to your system. But for now, we'll jump over it. Next, let's set up your internet connection. You have three main options to choose from: LTE, LAN, and Wi-Fi. If you have an LTE-enabled MachineMotion AI, this is the easiest to set up. Just select it, turn it on, and it will automatically connect to the pre-configured network. The next option is LAN, which uses a direct Ethernet cable to provide internet to your controller. Finally, we have Wi-Fi, which is the recommended fallback if LTE isn't an available option on your system. To configure Wi-Fi, simply select your network from the list, enter the password, and hit connect. And that's it for the basic setup of your MachineMotion AI. If you're ready to deploy your configuration and machine logic applications, just head back to the configuration tab to get started. Thanks for joining, and happy automating.